It's great to have you with us. Our sign language interpreter is Philip Omondi and I am Ashley Mazuri. Now tonight, Catholic bishops have fiercely condemned President William Ruto's administration, citing unexplained killings, abductions, runaway corruption and a culture of deception. The religious leaders have accused the Kenya Kwanza administration of manipulating the truth to serve its own interests, leaving Kenyans feeling increasingly disillusioned. Catherine Imuraget reports.
Addressing the press at the Queen of Apostles Mission Parish in Nairobi, the bishops highlighted the rising cases of abductions, disappearance, and violent crimes, particularly the growing number of murders targeting women.
Many of these victims had raised concerns about rampant corruption within and outside the government. Who is abducting these people?
The bishops also criticized elected leaders, accusing them of indifference and irresponsibility, saying that they had allowed themselves to be captured and compromised in corrupt dealings.
We are troubled by their heightened insensitivity and irresponsibility in carrying out their tasks.
Further, the clergy expressed their concern over the political infighting within the government, which they claim has fueled unnecessary tension and deepened divisions among Kenyans, warning that this environment of mistrust is affecting both the public and the government.
It has created an environment of mistrust among the citizens and within the government itself.
On the proposed extension of term limits for elected leaders, the religious leaders called it a self-serving agenda, urging the government to address issues such as restrictive permits for missionary work, youth unemployment, the regulation of education system, and the failure to fully constitute the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, among others. Shortly after the bishop's statement, Kapsaret MP Oscar Sudi, a close ally of President Ruto, responded on social media criticizing Archbishop Anthony Muheria. Sudi accused Muheria of fanning tribalism while posing as a moral authority. He alleged that Muheria's past support for the former regime showed hypocrisy, claiming the cleric lacked the credibility to criticize the current government. Catherine Imuraget, KTN News.
In a quick rejoinder, the government has rubbished the statement by the Catholic bishop